Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Paramount H601-15 secret gate latch is what this is. There we go. H601 and a 15 finish. So it's a secret gate latch. I have one here. These are pretty typical items, and they are used in applications where you simply need to keep a door, some type of door. It could be a gate. It could be a panel that is separating a back of a desk application in a retail environment. It could be the door that leads to the back of the line where the tellers are in a bank. Very typical. Restaurants will use this type of material. And we keep this in stock, and it is petite, it's inexpensive, and it keeps the door latched. It is a rim lock in the sense that when the material is installed, it's installed on the rim or the perimeter of the door. So it's a rim lock is, not speaking specifically of the strike, is a surface-mounted lock. There can be different strike types that can be surface-mounted or mortised or however they would apply. But the body of the lock, when it's a rim lock, is always slapped right onto the face of something. It's not mortised, it's not semi-mortise, etc. It's surface-mounted, and because it's installed on the perimeter of the door, the outside edge, it's a rim lock. So let me give you some dimensional properties, and we'll talk specifically about its operation. So about 1 inch and 15/16 tall. Overall width of the body looks like it's about 2 1/4. Projection of the latch, about 3/8. Thickness of the body, about 5/8. The height of its strike, or its keeper, I would probably call it a keeper, 1 7/8. Overall width, about 11/16. And the overall projection looks like it's about 5/8. It will include a package of screws for surface mounting the lock body and, of course, the strike. Let's talk about specifically its operation. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, when this secret gate latch is installed, and the reason that it's called a secret gate latch is because it's not obvious how you retract that latch. It's just simply not obvious how that works. But once you know the secret, you know how they all work, whether it be Paramount or scores of other companies that have a secret gate latch. And I don't know how many decades old this sort of technology actually is, or this type of lock, but it's for sure several decades. This probably goes back to the mid 19th century would be my guess. So in every secret gate latch, there is a relatively nondescript trigger or button. And when you put your finger in there and depress that, push it in, you're going to retract the latch. So what occurs to me is, well, what if I needed to, what if I had a left-hand reverse application, or if I had a left-hand application? That's fine, the button will be on the bottom, but if you had I had said left-hand reverse earlier, that would be a right-hand reverse. If you had a left-hand reverse or a right-hand, yeah, the button's going to be on the top. Okay, it's it's really still not quite obvious, but you'll very often, if you're ever in a retail environment and you see somebody, and I've noticed it, someone puts their hand behind the door and lifts, and then the door opens, and I say to myself, secret gate latch. That is what they just pushed on their little door. And that's how that works. So this rim strike is going to install just like this. So the latch is going to come into contact with the face of the strike. Once that hits, it'll retract, pop back out. You're going to be right in that little position right there. Okay. You can see that it's countersunk from both faces of the body. That's because, indeed, you're going to install it either button up or button down. The latch will either be towards the bottom or towards the top. This is a threaded in little knob. It's just for the purposes of getting yourself a handhold on the lock itself. I don't know that people actually use that, but it's there for that purpose. Let's switch to the screen view and let's take a closer look at the supporting information. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, here's the item that we are looking at. An image from the factory that really doesn't appear to be this nickel finish, but nonetheless, it's a chrome. Satin nickel, it's zinc die-cast, mounting hardware included. Template for the item is here. Let's take a look at that. I would say that this is a cut sheet that has some dimensions on it. There you go. Dimensions, an image of the item. Now, speaking of images, we have some images that are here. This is actually what's in the packaging, or this is the packaging when it arrives. An image showing everything that you'll get. Close-up view of the body and its strike. Somewhat like what you're going to see it when it's installed. And that gap between the strike and the lock body, that's per your judgment. You know, no one's really measuring when they install these. You're going to place it on the top of the door and mark the holes and leave a margin there, probably the same margin as you'd have between the door and jamb. Really nothing less. The body itself showing the trigger, showing the latch out, notice the thumb, latch in, notice the thumb, strike. That'd be a rim strike is what we'd call that. You will have to be you're gonna margin this off installing it like we have here so that that latch bolt doesn't hit the strike. I mean, if you were to drop that down or raise it up for whatever reason, you'll want to avoid doing that. Here's your screw package. That's a proper wood screw is what that is. It's not threaded to the head. They are a Phillips drive number 2. I'd say the screws are about 1 1/8 long, something in that range. I suppose, let me just tell you, of course, the actual length of that screw rather than guessing. If I don't measure it, someone will say, hey, what's the length of that screw? I do need to know. That screw is, oh yeah, pretty good. Yeah, 1 1/8. That's what it is. Maybe 1 3/16. So now, back to the item that we are looking at here. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page as seen here. And from here, you can pull up not only all of the Paramount products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Paramount is a typical company that imports builder's hardware. So in that sense, there's nothing, you can buy imported builder's hardware from a lot of people. Decent offshore manufactured locks, hinges, closers, exit devices. So in that regard, I can't really say that they're superior. However, well, let's wrap this video up on camera, and I'll tell you why I send orders their way. So locks, closers, exits, the usual suspects. Let's switch to the camera view, and we'll wrap this up. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. The reason that I send orders to Paramount and I keep some of the material that they distribute on the shelf is because they've got pretty good customer service. You send them an email, you call them, you get an answer right then and there, and they're not thoroughly immune from mistakes, nor is any of us, but in terms of dependability, predictability, repeatability, they're pretty good. So their closers, I'm going to keep some of their different closers on the shelf, and I'd like to be able to support them basically for their above average customer service. You can buy an imported closer from anyone. And really, when you're dealing with importers, you're not buying the closer. You are, but what you're really paying for is the customer service, and Paramount does that pretty well. Any questions on the I forgot the part number already. H601 in a 15 finish, apparently the only finish available. If you needed this in a different finish, reach out to us. I mean, if you can't use this at all, there are other finishes available. You'll have to reach out to us and we'll assist you with finding a secret gate latch in a different finish. Any questions on this or any other Paramount product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.